Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you guys can create a simple main menu inside Unreal Engine 4. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is to create a new level. So go to your file, new level, time of day, and there you go. We got our level set up. Let me delete this stuff. We don't need it anymore. Replace this with a new cube. The cube has some basic texture. Just I don't know what's happened. Cube material, yeah. I got this. So let me resize this cube, this little cube, for our main menu background. Yeah, I think this is kind of cool. Let me back some extra cube. Yes, here, here. Yeah. I need to my character stand behind the scene, so let me select my mesh, rotate it 90 degrees, and let's give it an animation. I don't want my character stand pose, so let me use a animation asset. I'm gonna choose my idol. Yeah, idol. And the next thing I'm going to do is to create a new camera. So I'm going to create a new cinematic camera. There we go. Let's change the focal length a little bit. Lens setting. Yeah, current focal length. Let me choose the focus setting. Tracking focus setting. I'm gonna choose my character and draw debug tracking. Let me change something. Nothing going to change. Where is the focus offset? Where are you? Just don't worry about that. It's a little bit shitting around. Don't wanna mess with this stuff, so leave it here. We only need this cinematic camera. You can also choose your default camera. What I recommend is cinematic camera because it's a little bit fancy and have a really cool options here. Open your level blueprint and event begin play. First thing, I'm gonna create a reference to cinematic camera actor, and the second thing I'm going to is to create player controller and set view target with blend. Hook this up. New view target going to be my cinematic camera. And if I hit play, we got our menu background right here. We can't move around, we can't do anything. It is just a background. So let me fix some bug. I'm going to say set show mouse cursor. The target will be our player controller, and this boolean will be true. And if I hit play, now I got my mouse cursor. So let's set up our main menu. I'm gonna create a new folder, call it UI. I'm going to create a new user interface, a widget blueprint, call it main underscore menu, I guess. Open this up. We got our borders. Let me get some. Let me get image. I'm gonna get this simple image. Change the change the color to something like black, totally black. And I'm going to change this alpha to get some transparent look. Okay, something like that. And let me make background some blurry. So I'm gonna change for blur, background blur. Yeah. There we go. We got our background blur, but we can't see any blurry stuff because we haven't changed the blur strength. So let's change it to something like that. Yeah. But also we need to anchor this background image to this, and also our image. So I'm going to create a new button. Our button. I created two buttons, one for play and the second for the quitting game. Let me add some text. Simple. Yeah, I can easily change the text block to whatever I want. I'm gonna say play. Yeah, we got our play. And if I duplicate this by pressing Command W, I'm gonna change the name. Quit. So the first thing I'm going to do is to write the code for playing the game. Choose the button, come down to the unclicked. I'm going to say open level by name. The level name will be our third person map. Yeah, copy the name and paste it right here. For our quit button, scroll down, unclicked. I'm going to say quit game. Yeah. So let me play. Our HUD is not showing up because we didn't tell the engine to create our widget for us. So let's do it. Open your level blueprint. After this, I'm going to say create a new widget. Create a widget. choose your widget. For the return value, I'm going to say add to viewport, and there we go. So let me explain the code. This will set our target to our camera. Now we can move around, we can do anything because we see it through this cinematic camera actor. And after that, we're telling the engine that show our mouse cursor, and after that we're going to create our widget and add it to our viewport, to our screen. If I hit play, now we got our simple menu. If I hit quit, we are going to quit the game. And if I hit play, now the engine open the third person example map for us, and we can continue playing. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Unreal Engine 4 tutorials. And I see you in the next one. Bye!